Welcome to this video on searching the EMBASE database. To get the most out of this video, it's recommended that you watch the video on searching Medline first, since Medline and EMBASE are both Ovid databases and therefore similar to each other. Accessing EMBASE. To access EMBASE, go to the library website www.qub.ac.uk/lib and click Databases A to Z. Click E, then on the EMBASE link. Log in with your QUB number and password if prompted. You are taken to the Ovid website, which gives QUB users access to EMBASE. Planning your search. Ovid EMBASE defaults to advanced search. As with Medline, don't type all your search terms into the box at once. Instead, break your search up into its component subjects or concepts and search for these one at a time. For example, if you want to find articles about the regression of glioma, first do a search for glioma, then for regression, and combine your separate searches. Let's try that now. Searching. First, type glioma into the search box. Like in Medline, map turned to subject heading is ticked by default under the search box in EMBASE. Leave this ticked so that EMBASE will suggest subject headings, called M-tree headings, that may be relevant to your search. Click Search, and on the next screen, EMBASE suggests subject headings that might be useful. It may suggest one subject heading or several. Click on the most relevant subject heading. This takes you to a screen where you can view your chosen subject heading in relation to other similar subject headings that may also be useful. Note that this screen looks quite different from the equivalent screen in Medline. This screen shows you all the terms that your chosen subject heading is used for. Underneath, related but broader subjects may be displayed, along with narrower, i.e. more specific subjects. If you want to include any of these broader or narrower subjects in your search, simply tick them. If you want to include all narrower subjects, scroll up and tick the Explode box, or you don't have to tick any of the additional subjects. It's entirely up to you. Once you have made your selection, scroll up and click Continue, and if you are taken to a subheading screen, tick Include all subheadings to find articles about all aspects of your subject. Then click Continue again. You'll be brought back to the main search page, where you will see that your first search appears in your search history. Search for synonyms in EMBASE using the same method as Medline. For example, to run a keyword search for articles that refer to gliomas as glial cell tumours, untick the map turned to subject heading box, then type glial cell tumours, enclosing the phrase in double quotation marks to ensure that EMBASE looks for all the words together rather than as three separate words. To ensure EMBASE searches for tumour, singular, but also tumours, plural and apostrophe S, replace the S with the truncation symbol, which is an asterisk. Finally, replace the U with a question mark, which is the extra letter symbol in all Ovid databases and can be used to find UK and US English spellings simultaneously. Click Search, and EMBASE searches titles, abstracts and other fields for articles mentioning variations of the phrase glial cell tumours. Your second search is added to your history. Repeat this process for terms relating to any other concepts relevant to your search. For example, after reticking map turned to subject heading, type in regression and click Search. In this case, EMBASE suggests a list of potentially relevant subject headings, but the two most useful to this search are cancer regression at the top of the list and tumour regression at the bottom. Click on each of these to check if they include other broader or narrower subjects that are also useful. If they do, tick the subjects you want to include or click Explode to include them all in one go. If there are no relevant broader or narrower terms, just tick both cancer regression and tumour regression, then click Continue, and a search for these subject headings will be added to your search history. To run a keyword search for synonyms for regression, untick map turned to subject heading and type in regress plus an asterisk, eradicate plus an asterisk, separating them with or, then click Search. This keyword search will be added to your search history. Combining searches. To combine the separate searches you've done so far, tick your two glioma searches, then click OR. Remember, OR is used to combine searches for similar subjects. A new line is added to your search history, showing your combined and deduplicated set of glioma results. Click Expand to see all lines of your search history. Next, tick your two regression searches, and again, because they are similar, click OR. Another new line is added showing combined deduplicated regression/eradication results. Now, to see which results are about both glioma and regression, tick your two OR searches and click the AND button. and is used to combine searches for different subjects. EMBASE shows you the number of results about both of your subjects. Limiting results. Since the number of results is still quite large, use limits to try to filter out less relevant articles. To do this, scroll down and click Limits underneath the search box. Here you can tick that you only want articles in the English language and about humans, and you can specify a publication year range, for example 2013 to the current date. Click Search and the limits you have selected will be applied to the last search you did. You will see that the number of results is reduced. To filter your search results further, click Additional Limits. This screen lists all the limits you can possibly apply to your EMBASE search. Under Publication Types, click Article to limit to journal articles only, and under Human Age Groups, click Child, Unspecified Age, to limit to results about children only. When you have made your selection, click Limit a Search, and EMBASE applies your chosen limits to your most recent search. In this case, the number of results is substantially reduced. Viewing and saving searches. Scroll down to view your final set of results, where you can read article titles and abstracts for most, though not all, results, and click Q-Connect to check for the availability of article full text. You can tick results as you scroll down through them, and then print or email their details to yourself or your supervisor, or export results to Microsoft Word or to the reference management tool of your choice. Finally, save your search and rerun it later by clicking Save All. Log into your personal Ovid database account if you have set one up, or click Create Account to start one from scratch by filling in the short registration form and clicking Create. If you have already set up an Ovid account in Medline, you can log in and save EMBASE searches using the same credentials. Give your search a name and in the comment box type the name of the database you have used and, for clarity, the date of your search. Click Save, and back on the main search page a yellow message will confirm that your search has been saved successfully. This means that you can clear your search history and log out of EMBASE, but recover your search later by reopening EMBASE and clicking View Saved. Log into your personal account if prompted, tick your search and click Run. EMBASE reruns each line of your saved search and displays your results. I hope this video has helped you to plan and carry out your own searches in the EMBASE database.